Hey y'all, add me on Ustream. My name on Ustream is Harris H 123. Got that? Harris H 123. 3 persons. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that was kind of weird, but yeah, y'all should add me on Ustream. Weird ass TV. Shit's crazy. Hey, so as y'all can see, I'm in my room, chilling like a villain on the ceiling with his nemesis. Ugh, why did I just do that? This is the smallest webcam I've ever seen. Alright, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Chucking up the deuces. Yeah. Told you that I'm leaving. That's the deuces. Oh, wait. Jerome Tacky 72 says, show your muscles, fat boy. You suck. You stop hating on me, ballsy. You fat ass. I'll come to your house and whoop your ass. Alright, peace out, people.